Hello, my amazing one. We are asked to find the value of x from this question. Without wasting much of our time, let's quickly do that. Now, we can see that in this question, we have 2, we have 4 to the power of 2x, we have 4 to the power of 3x. What we are going to just simplify all these base in the base to be in a base of 2. Okay, easy way. Now, to do that, we have 4. 4 then now becomes 2 to the power of 2. Then in the bracket, outside the bracket, we have 2x already, right? Then all over 4 also becomes 2 to the power of 2. Then outside the bracket, we have 3x equals 2. Now what do we do? Then we can multiply these 2 times this 2x. Don't forget, in the law of indices, if you have a, the power if you have a to the power of b, then outside the bracket you have c. We can multiply this b and c together to have a to the power of b, c. The same thing let applies here. So we are going to have 2 to the power of 2 times 2x will give us 4x over 2 to the power of 2 times 3x give us 6x equals 2. Now, what do you think? The question is getting much easier and interesting, right? Now, we can now do or follow this term, this rules, which says and we have a to the power of b over a to the power of c. Since the base are the same, you can take one out of the two base, then the power of the first one, which is b. So you subtract this negative, this divisions and becomes negative. Then you subtract this power of the denominator from the numerator. The power of the denominator is what? Is c. So you subtract it from the numerator, which is b. Just pick one, okay? So the same thing you are going to apply here. Since the base are equal, just pick one. Then we have 4x. Division becomes negative. Then the power 6x equals 2. And do not forget, 2 is also can be written as to the power of 1. Now, if you can check clearly, we now have the same base but different powers. Now, since you have the same base, the work is simple. In fact, the work is done. Just equate the power. Okay, remove the base. We are left with 4x minus 6x equals 1. 4x minus 6x, that gives us minus 2x equals 1. Divide both by minus 2. Okay, minus take away minus 2, take away 2x is now equals to 1 over minus 1 over 2. And this becomes our final answer. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and follow us again for more. Bye.